Okay guys, quick unboxing, unpacking videos for another Leatherman that I got. So here it is from Time Express as shipped by the seller, Leatherman UAE. I think they are also the one who is the dealer for the whole GCC. It's Ramrod Outdoors. So Time Express recommended for those who are in UAE. If they pick it up a day before, they will ship it the day after. So 1 day, or actually less than 24 hours. And so this is not going to be unboxing because it's obviously not in a box. And I can feel it's in a blister pack and not inside the box. So I'm going to open with this handy scissor. Not a Leatherman, but does the job well. Okay. So I already sanitized this because you have to be careful about the virus. And so here it is. This is the back portion, and this is the Leatherman Signal in aqua color. So first of all, why did I bought this? It's because I like the color combination, and I was choosing between the black and the silver and this one. My main concern with this one is that the ferrocerium rod is pink in color, and the knife sharpener as well. So I cannot find any online store that's selling this color, but I would have to settle for the yellow one if I'm not able to get it. Leatherman USA is not sending me anything, and not also sending to forwarders company. So I have to settle for this one and the replacement of yellow color. So let's unbox this, unpack. I would prefer that it would be on a box so I can put the receipts. And okay, so okay, it's taking a long time. Okay, so it should be, there's a tab here, should be here on the left side of the, careful not to let it fall. Here it is, Leatherman in aqua color, first time I open. Yes, it's so it's a full size. I was expecting it to be smaller, but it's actually a full size. And there's some, I don't know if you can see this. I'll have to adjust the light, but I'm not sure if you can see this, but it looks to be stained. I would have to try to clean it. So it is stained. See, maybe from the black oxide coloring of the other color. And the aqua is not that bright in color as opposed to some online pictures posted. So I figured out that since it's a Leatherman Signal, I did not opt for the black color or black stainless. I opt for a loud color, since if I'm going to make a signal, or if I'm going to be outdoors, I'm not in a tactical environment, and so I'd like to be able to see it when I drop it, for someone else to see it if I drop it as well. So here's the Leatherman Signal. Let me drop this and get into the nylon sheet. Here's the instructions. So it's basically the same for other Leathermans. So here it is. So this is the first time that I have this kind of nylon sheet. The other ones have this for the wave. I got this from the wave. This is from the Signal, and I think I like this better, because if this is a not a multi-purpose, but a multi-size, sheet, you can see that there's an excess of material here, whereas this one, it's made especially for this size multi-tool sheet, made in China, Sheath, not the other. Okay, so this is just a belt compatible, not a molle compatible. Well, I already have the molle compatible, so for me this is a better option. And so an overview of this one. First of all, there's a black oxide. I don't know if the brightness of it is not because of the dullness, I mean, of the color. It's not because there is a black coating, dirt. It's not, yeah, but obviously it's, yeah. So I think when it gets cleaned, this is it. See, some black imperfections in cleanliness, I should say. So we'll just see. Okay, I'm not sure if this is normal, but again, this is a tool, so this is not a, it's not a big problem for me. So let's get into the meaty part of it. So first of all, let's fold it, and looks nice. Looks like a transformer design, and some of the parts is getting rubbed. I'm not sure how long will the color stays, but this is a friendlier color than the coyote, the black and the black. And here in this country, I do not want to get the suspicious attention of that I'm military for other country, spy or anything. So this color looks friendlier than those tactical. Okay, so I do not know how to operate this yet. These are the tools. Yung mga basic tools is here. One thing that is not here, so this is normal. So one thing that is not here is the, compared to the wave, is the scissors. The wave has scissors. So the signal does not have, but they are actually of the same size, but this carabiner makes the signal looks to be longer. They're about the same size, actually, the same make, same strength, I should suppose. The Leatherman Wave Plus appears to be heavier, and of course the Leatherman Matte will be heavier. Let's compare this to this. This is the smaller brother, this is the bigger brother, and this is the size difference. I am not going to put the measurements, okay, but you can definitely look at it online. So okay, compared to those who have Gerber multiplier 600, it's almost as big as it is, as long as it is. The pliers on the multiplier on the Gerber is a little bigger. The color is rubbing out already. I am not sure if this looks more aggressive when the paint starts to deteriorate or to rub, which will attract more attention in a bad way. And so okay, that's about it. I am going to review these items sooner. I also have a Leatherman Juice XE6 coming, so that would be the last Leatherman, I think, for a long time, since I already have all the sizes. Maybe I'll get a surge, but as of now I don't have any need for it. If I need a bigger plier, I definitely use this or this. Or if I need a smaller one, I have these two, the Leatherman style, which is actually a scissors, and the Leatherman squirt, small pliers. So to get an overview of this, let me show you. this. Okay, so I hope you can see it in that angle. I am going to do a tabletop review soon once I have a good amount of time using this. So these are some of the tools that I have. I also have a Raptor, and I'm going to do a tabletop review soon. So just if I have the time. So that's it for the quick unpacking of the Leatherman Signal. Please like and subscribe for some videos ahead. I'm posting videos a lot more frequently this time, and hopefully that translates to more videos soon. So take care everyone. Bye.